I have got the Essence DIY Advent Calendar. I'm dead excited about opening this. I've literally just unboxed the Catrice one. If that's already up, I will link it down below. I'll put it in the cards or something like that. But I love Essence makeup. I haven't got a lot of Essence makeup, but if you know, my favourite mascara, one of my favourite mascaras is Essence. So I'm really excited about unboxing this Essence Advent Calendar. Yeah, I don't know what's in it. I haven't had no sneak peeks or anything like that. But anyways, let's just get into unboxing this. So I paid £19.99 for this. So this works out at something like 79 pence. It's around the 70 pence mark per day. These are a little bit cheaper, these sort of advent calendars, because you do have to make them up yourself. But when you're making them up yourself, or you could get someone else to make it up for you. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to pick particular items. I'm not going to make it up myself. I'm just literally going to grab an item out and show you. So we've got with little bags here, which are absolutely so cute. And then we've got little stickers with the days on. And then we have got all the items in here. So I'm just going to grab an item out at a time. I'm not even going to look, I'm just going to grab. So day number 1 is the Essence Rosewood stick. So remember, these are 70 to 70 something pence a day. Now as you know, I love getting nail things, and I will use these. I actually do use these type of things a lot. But this is a filler product, but this is only going to be a 70 pence a day advent calendar. So I'm kind of on the fence about this, but yeah. I'm grabbing another day, so what we're going to grab. So day number 2 is the Essence Lash On Lash Off Volumizing Magnetic Accent Lashes. I actually was going to purchase these the other day, and they were like something like £5 something. So I'm excited that I got that. I'm positive they're the same ones, but it was from Essence. I'm feeling unique. So day number 3, we've got the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. A matte lip gloss. So it's a matte lip cream in it. I'm going to swatch it on my other hand because I've got swatches from another one. And this is in Beauty Approved. It is definitely matte, but I don't know if it's one of them ones that'll dry down matte, or if it's just like a matte lip cream. But it's not a lip gloss, do you know what I mean? Right, so day number 3, day number 4, we've got the Essence Glitter On, Glitter Off. Oh, it's a peel off nail polish. I actually don't like peel off nail polishes. I've never tried the Essence one. So I don't know what this one's like, but yeah, I've had some peel off nail polishes and I wasn't keen on. Day number 5, we've got the My Beauty Lip Ritual Step 1, Peeling with Shea Butter. Peeling? Lip peeling? It smells beautiful. It says peeling that renders the lips perfectly soft and smooth. I think it's a lip scrub. Yeah, it's a lip scrub. I was like, peeling? Yeah, it's a lip scrub. Oh, I'm excited about that. It smells gorgeous. It smells absolutely gorgeous. I was like, Next day, we've got another lipstick, another nail polish. This is the Essence Glitter On, Glitter Off, Peel Off Nail Polish. Yeah, I've never tried the Essence ones, so I don't know what they'd be like. They look nice in the bottle. Ooh, they smell nice. Shouldn't say that, but they do. Right, next day we've got a lipstick, I think, and it is like a proper bullet lipstick. It's in 08 Flaming Red. Ooh, look at the way that's shaped. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Oh, it's definitely up my street and all. It's like a bomb. Can you see it? That is so up my street. So up my street. Right, next item we've got step 2. Excuse me. Next bit we've got step 2, which is the lip mask. So this is just a little sachet. I don't know if that's like one item. I'll have to check. But we've got that too. And then we've got, what is this? It says Stay Your Wing Cut Out Eyeliner Tool. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Yeah, I'm not really good at eyeliner anyway, so maybe this would help me, but I don't like that. We've got another thing, which is nail stickers, and I normally am okay about nail stickers, but I really dislike the design of these nail stickers. Yeah, I just don't like them at all. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I just don't like the design of them nail stickers. Right, next item we've got, a face mask. We've got the Time to Wake Up facial sheet mask. I didn't even know Essence done sheet mask. I'll be ready in 15 minutes. It's a hydrating boost face mask. That is it there. Next we've got the Essence Matte Touch Blush, and this isn't Peach Me Up. I'm not going to swatch it or anything like that because I might actually have this. I do have some Essence blushes, but that looks very pretty and it looks very similar to the shade that I've got. Right, next we've got the Instant Volume Boost Mascara. Ooh, I haven't ever tried this mascara. Oh, I'm not sure what I think of the wand, but I'm excited to try. As you know, Essence make good mascaras. Like, they really do make good mascaras. Next item is the Matte Style Super Last eyeliner, and it is a matte black. Like I say, I'm not going to swatch this either because I don't really wear eyeliner, so it's kind of wasted on me. The next item is the Essence Glow in the Dark top coat. Oh my god, I'm going to have to try that. It gives a moonlight glow. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try that. Next we've got the Plumping Nudes lip gloss. I love plumping stuff. Absolutely love plumping stuff. And this is in Bold Love. Absolutely love plumping stuff. So it's got like a flat doe foot applicator. And it's like a sheer nude. Ooh, I'm gonna get so much use out of that. I'm actually gonna put it on the top of this. Right, let's see. It says, yeah, lip plump in timeless nude shades with a glossy finish and a cooling effect. Next item is the Prime Plus Studio HD Primer Spray with coconut water, moisturising and energising. Should we have a smell? It doesn't smell overly powering of coconut, and it has quite a nice mister too. Next item is a sapphire nail file. This is actually like a proper nail file, like ones you buy from the shop, which is good. It's not like what a filler nail file, which a lot of you see in other advent calendars, which I kind of like, but you know, I am one of those. I'm just going to be out there and real with you. I am a tat buyer. My mum says that you could just buy me loads of tat and I'd be happy. So I'm probably not the best advent calendar reviewer, to be honest. And my niece is like me too. She loves tat. I get her loads of tatty items for Christmas just to make her pile look bigger, and she loves it. Yeah, so that's a good item. Next, we've got the Draw the Line Instant Colour Lip Liner. I love a good lip liner. This is in So Ungrateful. Ooh. This is like my sort of shade. If you've watched me a while, like years when I first started my channel, I used to wear stuff like this on my lips all the time. I very rarely wear lip products now, to be honest, but I do like to wear lip products and I've been trying to use them the last couple of days. Right, next we've got the Crystal Wet Look Lip Gloss. I've got something like this from Too Faced. Yeah, I love stuff like this. Yeah, this is just like the one that I got from Too Faced and I paid $17.99 for it. You see it? It's got like tiny flecks of glitter. That's what the one from Too Faced looks like. And I paid quite a bit of money for it. It's still going. It feels like it's never ending. Not that I'm going to complain. This is step 3 and it is the primer with shea butter. So I don't know if that's step 1, step 2, step 3 is all one day or if it's all separate days. I'll count the items at the end and I'll let you know. But this is just like a lip balm, I'm assuming. Then next we've gotten a brush, and this is the short blender brush, and it actually looks like a sort of brush that I would use. So I love a makeup brush, no, like I do, I love getting the makeup brushes. Yeah, this definitely looks like a sort of brush that I would use. It's a sort of brush that I use on my eye stick. I just put a green eyeshadow from one of my advent calendars I've been and just buffed it all out. I think it's a Technic advent calendar. Yeah, I've been wearing lots of my advent calendar eyeshadows. But yeah, I'm excited about that. And next, I have been trying to get this for so long. Jessica Braun Jam Beauty 89 loves this, and you cannot get it. If you want this, you've got to pay silly prices. I'm just opening it up because I'm going to swatch it. It is the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter. Oh, is this the same one? I hope it is, but it's basically the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, but it says Sunlighter. I'm hoping it's the same one. I really am. Oh, I really am. It is beautiful. Yeah, I think it is. I'm not sure. You can hardly see it, which is what Jessica says. Like Jessica Braun, she says it's just a very faint highlighter. I'm so happy with that. And then the last one, which was at the bottom, which makes it fab for the last day, is an eyeshadow palette. And is this the first eyeshadow we've had? I think it is. Yeah. It is this Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette, and it's a big palette, and it is just beautiful natural shades, so it's right up my street. I'm not going to touch this because I don't know whether I'm going to keep this. I probably will. Let's not lie. But yeah, that's stunning. If you would like a get ready with me of using like a get ready with me first impressions of using all these items, I would love to do that if you would like that. Right, what do I think of this advent calendar? I paid under £20, well, a penny under, so I paid £20 for this advent calendar. Even with like the filler items, which I'm going to count that eyeliner thing and the sticks as filler items. Some people would count the nail file as a filler item. I don't normally, especially not that one. It's a good nail file. And these nail stickers, I don't normally, but I really just dislike the design. Just not my cup of tea, to be honest. But like, not everyone has the same taste. Like, I like stars, moons, things like that, and not a lot of people like that. Well, some people do actually. Yeah, wait there. I'm going to count the items in anyways and see if that lip thing was all one day. Yeah, so that lip thing wasn't all one day. So like when you got that, you would be kind of bummed. But you know, I think this advent calendar is well worth it. I just unboxed the Catrice one. Honestly, that one. Yeah, I really like this. Obviously I feel like you're paying a little bit less because you're having to make it up yourself. But if you didn't want to know what you were getting, you could get somebody else to do it for you, and the little bags are lovely. Yeah, I love this. I really do. I think it's such a good little advent calendar. I'm going to try and get this video up as quick as I can so you can see what's in it and so you can get it before it sells out, because I mean, it's a bargain. It really is. If you were after a couple of, or even if you just wanted to try some Essence makeup, you've basically got a full face of Essence makeup here for £20. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. I've got a few giveaways on the way and going on at the minute, so you would be in for a chance of winning them. But I will see you all in my next video. And anyways, bye.